How to draw when you don't know what to draw. Many people besides artists want to draw, but oftentimes there seems to be nothing to draw. You are sitting bored in front of a paper and wondering where to begin. If you have ever been in this situation, read this simple guide to draw a masterpiece without even having any ideas. Steps. 1. If you would like to, you can set your timer for 10 minutes. 2. Take a pencil and place it in the center of your paper. 3. Start the timer and look away so you can't see the paper. 4. Start drawing. Do not draw anything specific. Just move pencil around on paper. Try not to take the pencil off the paper at all, so you get one big, curvy line. 5. After 10 minutes are up, stop drawing and look at your image. You will probably like what you see. It looks very artistic and yet you can't tell what it is. Although, you are not done yet. 6. Try to find some real, life shapes in your drawing. They are in there, you just have to look for them. Shapes do not have to look real as long as you can tell what it is because you are making an abstract drawing. Once you find some objects, take a pencil and make them stand out by outlining them so you can see them clearly. Find several shapes to make an image. 7. Take some colored pencils, or paints, or anything that can bring color to your image and start coloring the background around your shapes. Once you have a good background, color in the shapes. Colors can be realistic, although your image will look a lot more abstract and interesting if you make colors different than they are supposed to be. You are done. Method 1. Scribble Method. 1. Take a piece of paper and scribble until you find a shape or something. 2. When you find a shape or something, draw it more together and as a real drawing. Method 2. Crumpling Up Method. 1. Take a piece of paper and crumple it up. Crumple it up well. Do not rip it, though. Now, take the crumpled piece of paper and open it. 2. Take a pencil and outline all of the folds on the paper. This might take a while. Try to look for new shapes so viewers actually know what the image is. 3. Once you have an outline, again, take coloring instruments and color it in if you wish. Method 3. Random. 3D Method. 1. Take a pencil and plot random points on a paper. Do not make the space between points too big. 2. With a pencil, connect all of the lines. Lines have to be connected in special pattern. First you connect all of the dots with lines without intersecting them, thus creating rectangular shapes. In your weird rectangles, connect 2 points to create a triangle. Do not connect other lines. If you do, instead of triangle, you will have an X. Do this until your image looks like a 3D structure and is filled with triangles. 3. Take 3 types of same color. Light, normal, and dark. You can choose any color you want. Determine where the sun is in your drawing. Now, shade the image in with different colors. Now, your structure actually looks 3D. Although, most of the times you can't tell what it is. Tips. Above methods can be done with different instruments besides pencil. Results may look even better. Do the random 3D method with a ruler so your lines are completely straight. Try coming up with your own methods of drawing. Experiment. Do weird things on paper. Be patient. Draw the first thing that comes through your mind and create an awesome collage of the things you like. Draw round on paper with a colored pencil and keep doing it. Get some paper and draw an eye and then draw some wings, then get another piece of paper and draw an eye same as the other one before and draw some wings same as the other ones, then stick them to each other, and there you have it, a flip book. Remember, no art is wrong. Have fun with what you do. Have a lamp so it can give shade on the other side of your hand, but make sure which side of the lamp works best for you. Then get another piece of paper, crumble it up and make faces with the shade of the crumbled paper. Warnings. In no looking method, be sure to take your time and draw for 10 minutes straight without looking. If you look, you probably will think that your image is complete and start coloring in, when your image can be a lot better. Do not rip the paper in Crumpling Up method and be sure you can see specific lines.